The Law Commission has sent suggestion to Law Ministry proposal linked to reducing the age of consent to 16 years. The Law Commission has said that the age of consent should not be reduced. Now, the case for increasing the age of consent from 18 to 16 years under the POCSO law will then be amended, and the Law Commission has submitted its recommendation to the Law Ministry. Now, this recommendation is not to lower the current age of consent, and it said that it should be left to the discretion of the judges. Now, pointed out to the need to bring some amendments to the POCSO law in case of such a consent change. Now, I have my colleague Sunil joining us on the broadcast. Sunil, take us through the latest when it comes to the Law Commission's letter to the Law Ministry.
Well, this is a recommendation, as I pointed out, which has been sent. It's not binding on the law, on the government. They will, of course, study the Law Commission's report and then take a final view on this matter. The Law Commission, in its judgment, has felt that it should not reduce the age from 18 years to 16 years, and of course left it to the judicial discretion, as they say, because as you're well aware, if anybody who's accused of a crime below the age of 18, if it's a lady, it's considered rape. For a man, it's a sexual exploitation. And it's in that backdrop that there has been a huge debate, no less than the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, that I requested the government to look at this matter in its entirety. This is not really going to help things bring better clarity, because at one level you have them not recommending the reduction in age, but asking for judicial discretion, seeking amendments in the POSCO Act. And then more importantly, there is also a bill seeking to ensure that women's age is also increased in terms of marriage from 18 to 21 at another level. So these are things which show that there is no coordinated approach in terms of policy for the girl child, for women in particular, for children as per se, and this will have to be really studied by the government of India before they take a final view and take it to the cabinet before it is brought to Parliament in a law, in whichever way they decide whether to accept the Law Commission's recommendation or decide otherwise.